Hey guys, I had to delete my last video because the idiot that I left my address on the box as I did the unboxing. So this ain't an unboxing video anymore. It's more a review video. One idiot. Thanks. It was pointed out to me by a viewer, and I really appreciate that, dude. Thanks a lot. There's nothing I could have done about that. I'm an idiot. But anyway, the unboxing video basically explained the stuff that I ordered for the channel, a bit of growth and so on and so on. So I'll cut right to the chase. I ordered some bits. Let's go over them. I ordered this thing here because I'm doing a Mercedes-AMG GT3 build in September. It's a car. With a friend. He's got another car for for Le Mans, and we're going to be watching the video and watching the race. And so I thought we'd do a build during the race. Long and short of it, that's what we're doing. And I needed something to hold the body while I spray it, and everyone's been using this, so I thought I'd get one. It's a Tamiya spray work set. This holds the body via tension, and it's on a little swivel base. That's all it is really. You can take it off the base and put it on a stick, and do whatever you want to do with it. It also comes with a turntable. It's quite robust. It's got the ports for applying other things to hold pieces, and it comes with these 4 little bulldog clip type things. That's pretty cool. Now this is a bit of a janky video, like most of my videos. But what it is I messed up. I made a silly video with my address on the box, so I'm having to sort of make do just to replace that video. So it's not a complete waste of my time, it's not a waste of your time. But in the meantime, other things have happened, so I can go over that as well. Just getting this out of the way. That was a really quick unboxing. It's just 2 pieces. It's for holding models. What else do you want to do? It's robust. Everyone's using them, and they're cheap. I mean, it cost me what, 14 quid for that and that on Amazon. And also I've got this little thing here, 2 speeds, takes C-type batteries of all things that go in there. Whoever uses C-type, I've got no idea, but this is for presentation, as you'll see when I showcase the final unveiling of the RX 93. Also, what came is I'll be doing a photo etch for the Mercedes. If I get the kit here, so a detailing kit for the Mercedes AMG. What needs to be done with some of the pieces that need bending, and what you need to bend photo etch effectively is a tool. So I thought I'd try the small one out. They do a medium and a large. The large is actually quite expensive, and the medium again 40 to 50 quid. It's quite expensive. This was 22 I believe. It's the cheapest I could find it. And what it's got different bending surfaces. This turns around, and you can put your piece in, clamp it down. It comes with 2 benders. A lot of people use razor blades or scribing tools to get under the piece, bend it how you like it, and you're good to go. That's the long and short of it. Now, this is a Master Tools version. I don't know if you can get other versions, or whether this is the proper one or a copy. I'm not sure, but I've got that, as well as new spray booth. This turned up yesterday. I wasn't expecting this until the weekend, but it's here. It's the one with the LEDs, so super bright, great for filming, so you can see pieces and whatnot. I'm having a little bit of a rearranging here. I went out, got some other carpet bits and pieces, so I'm a little bit more comfortable in here, because after all this is a shed. But I want to do a desk along here, put some batten on, put a surface across here, so I've got 2 surface workspace. So it's a work in progress, and well, that's about it. Nice quick up-to-date video. The spray booth, I got that for 75 because of the LEDs, but it's better than the last one I had. one of my old videos when I was doing the unicorn, I bought one of them for 50, 60 quid, and it was a worse build quality. It wasn't as good as this. This one's by Art Sharp, and well, the build quality is much better. I remember the other one not going to. It's like it was like a Chinese knockoff. Let's be said. It's probably why it was so cheap. But this one feels like better quality, so it's going to last longer, and it's going to do me right, which is kind of what I wanted. So I thought I'll front a little bit more money. So it comes at about 75 quid. But like I say, I got them on the LED lights, and I'll give it a try out soon. In terms of the model itself, let's get you a piece out. I've been giving it an oil. You might not be able to pick it up on video, but it's been given an oil wash. I've got to be careful because it's still drying, but I've got runs, I've got depth, I've got grime, and it's been weathered. Let's put it that way. You can do, you know, not overspray. Yeah, my mind's all over the place, so I do apologise. I've got a lot of stuff on my mind. What's it called? When you spray the edges and then you paint over the top of it. Oh my god, I'm at a loss. I'll probably say something in the comments. I'm an idiot. I've totally forgotten what it's called, the technique. But this is a similar version to that, but rather than being under paint, it's over the paint. It's over the paint weathering. It's a lot messier. It's a lot time consuming because it's oil. But in the right circumstances and applied right, it does look good. And I'm hoping once it's all built and I've done some cleaning up with some terps and then done a final top coat, it's going to look the bollocks. So that's that. Pre-shading. That's what it's called. Pre-shading. I'm a melon. Anyway, yeah, I could have pre-shaded it, but the parts are so small on an RG, it would have been a complete waste of time. Whereas doing a gunk wash, weathering over the top of the paint job, just suited the model a little bit better. If I do get an MG or the Sazabi, it's a really big RG. It's probably the biggest one I've got my hands on. I might do some pre-shading on that one because of the parts are bigger, so it warrants it. But apart from that, I primed the base, or one of my bases. I've given it just a grey primer from Surface Primer Vallejo. Just gave it that stuff. Turns out really nice, really good surface to paint. So I'm going to be doing some more with this soon, because once I've done the new Gundam, this is what's going on. So I've got to try and sort of do this in tandem. Apart from that, guys, that's about it. I've got to let the Gundam dry. The oil takes about a week. It went on a couple of days ago, so I've got to really let it go. And then once it has dried, I can take a little bit of terps on cotton buds, and I can do streaks and take back what you know, stuff that I want, and sort of give it the contrast that would make it pop. Apart from that, and all of the moving stuff about, that's all I've got really to say. But this, when it comes to the photo etching, I might do a video on it in action. I've never done it before, so it'll be a learning experience for me. But certainly I weren't happy with getting like a metal rule and doing it on the mat and messing pieces up, which are minute, tiny. So apart from that, I apologise for taking the other video down. It was my mistake. Won't do that again. But thanks, Nike. You did me a solid. Otherwise, that could have been up for weeks, and I could have had all sorts posted to me, or worse. But thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.